What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cars, Cost, and Technology. So today we've got some really good close-up shots of the 2023 C8 Corvette Z06 out in testing. Obviously, late last week we saw some really good shots of the car, but they were a little bit distant and somewhat difficult to make up some of the details on the car. But now we've got some shots that are really crisp. You can tell that the photographer was very close to the car. I actually just received these directly from the spy photographer, so really excited to share these with you and talk about some of the details that we can make out in these photos that were a little bit difficult to see in the last set. So first of all, just want to kind of take a look over just the basic lines of the car. Obviously, again, the photos that we saw last time were somewhat distant, and it can be difficult to make out certain specific aspects of the lines of the car. We can see that this actual car, it looks a little bit different on the front fascia than the model that we were looking at last time, where the camo comes up along the front fascia, but then basically leaves the grille and the grille inserts, as well as where the front curve view cameras and the tow hook, that looks like it's all in black, as well as the actual grille in front of the radiators as well. But the dive plane, front splitter, and all that still covered in camo. So kind of interesting to see here how it looks slightly different than the last car that we were looking at in the spy shots. But again, you can still make out that really cool redesign on the front fascia there over what the Stingray offers. The big dive planes on the edges, huge front splitter, and that additional radiator there in the center of the front end, as well as the scoops off to the edges of the center. Then, of course, you see the front curve view cameras. We can actually make out those little details now. The grille inserts, which we talked about in a previous video, that sort of match the design language on the Stingray currently. And then, obviously, the connecting points here where it looks more like the C8R versus the Stingray in design. But anyways, let's look at some of the other shots that we have here. We do get a much better view of the wheels in these photos. I still don't know if these are the carbon fiber wheels that the design actually looks almost identical to the carbon fiber wheels that leaked a while back on eBay, claiming to be C8 Z06 wheels. So it could be. It's still difficult to tell, even in these really crisp shots, whether or not these are carbon fiber in terms of the texture on the wheel. Could also be like a magnesium wheel, something like that. It does look like a different type of metal than what we're used to seeing, not just like a painted alloy, but or steel wheel or anything like that. It looks to be some type of other material. We can definitely make out now that these are carbon ceramic rotors. You know, you can see behind the wheel at this point, definitely some huge brake rotors in there, and you can tell by the material and the cross drilling there, that is carbon ceramic rotors, so that's very high-end stuff. Like I said in my previous video, definitely under the impression this is a track package. When you see these dive planes, carbon ceramic rotors, we also can make out now that these are for sure Cup 2 tires, which we pretty much assumed anyways based on the tread pattern on the last set. We can actually see the sizing as well. 275s in the front. I've already looked at the rear. They're 345s in the rear, also Cup 2 tires. So again, we're seeing some massive tires back there, 345s off the edge. But carbon ceramic rotors all around. And again, you can see the really slick nature of these Cup 2 tires. Just looks really cool. Let me zoom back out a little bit so you can see some of these photos in a better view. I also forgot to mention some of my previous videos, the updated design to the side scoop of the car. You can see a little bit better view here. Obviously, the fenders are a little more prominent. They're going to poke out farther with the wider stance of the Z06 over the Stingray. Longer mirrors to accommodate that. But the actual side scoop here is a little bit more similar to the design language on the C8R versus the Stingray side scoop. Unfortunately, with the type of editing software I'm using at the moment, I don't have the ability to compare photos, but just wanted to sort of go over these in summary. But anyways, these photos, again, give us a much clearer look and confirm some of what we suspected on the last photos, as well as give us a few more additional details. Let's go further to the back here. So we get a little bit better look at that rear diffuser. You can see the redesign there in the rear fascia, as well as that where the exhaust is. Again, better look at these tires from the side. Really wide tires on the back. Definitely digging that stance there. 345s in the rear, Cup 2s. That's just going to look really awesome in person. Can't wait to see that. But definitely liking the design of the rear diffuser. Again, I know we talked about the wing looking a little bit better. It's difficult to see because they do have camo on there, but I think that actually is a carbon fiber wing. You know, if we look really closely here, you can see that texture. So really cool to see that they're offering what looks like a carbon fiber wing on the C8 Z06. I would imagine that The front splitter is also carbon fiber, the dive planes as well, especially on this particular package, whether it be the Z07 or whichever performance package we're seeing. But yeah, it definitely looks like that's carbon fiber there. So sort of some interesting details that we couldn't make out on the last set of pictures, but really excited to see this. I'm sure that package is going to be pretty expensive. We all saw how expensive the carbon fiber high wing spoiler is for the Stingray, so I would imagine a full carbon fiber aero kit for the Z06 is going to be pretty expensive, but it looks great, I'm sure, in public. All right, so as far as the rear diffuser goes, it's difficult to make out too many other details other than that the exhaust tips, we do see a little bit of a mesh grill around there, smaller pipes on the inside. Again, that could just be some minute details that haven't been actually ironed out yet for production ready. I know some people actually speculated that the different sizing and layout of the quad exhaust tips that could be turbo wastegates, and I'm not really sure enough or familiar with the topic enough to confirm or deny that. Based on what we're seeing here, it looks like more just quad exhaust coming out and the tips aren't actually fully sort of laid out in a more production ready format, but that would be really cool to see. I do believe that the Z06 is going to be naturally aspirated from all the rumors that we've heard, and that we're going to see the twin turbo variant with the ZR1. But let me just kind of flip through these real quick so that way you can see these photos. Again, just kind of get a better look at all the little details that we weren't able to make out on the last one. And then I'm just going to scroll through these photos and let you guys look for yourselves without talking and zooming in and out. I do apologize if that's bothering you and you're trying to get a better, closer look at these, but just wanted to zoom in on some things that stood out to me, kind of go over some of the talking points that we can make out here on these new set of photos versus the last set. We do get a little glimpse of the interior here, like we talked about in the last video. From what I can see, everything looks pretty similar. It is possible that we'll see some small changes to the actual wheel itself. Steering wheel, I know on the previous generation Z06, at least the badging and everything was different on the Z06, so I'd like to see at least some little changes there, maybe some carbon fiber accents or something that's available for the wheel. But anyway, so that's what we got. But again, I'm just going to kind of scroll through these photos, let you guys look closer without any talking or distraction, see if you notice any other details that I did not mention. Unfortunately, a lot of these spy shots have come out at somewhat of an inopportune time for me to cover them, but I am excited to look through them and just kind of get the conversation going. I really love talking about these up and coming products and getting excited about the new models coming out. And of course, the Z06 is something that I'm extremely interested in, sort of in between cars at the moment. So anyway, guys, I'll let you look through these photos. We'll talk to you in the next video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these much improved and clearer spy shots. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.